We're starting the third week of our meal plan, and it's very, very, very difficult for me to take off any weight at all. I am down about 6 pounds, and I could not be happier. Not down as far as I want to get to, but when I start to feel bad or have a negative thought about my weight, it immediately goes positive because this meal plan is so easy to, the preparation it's work. But as far as feeling hungry or low energy, there's none of that. So it makes that part of it very easy. And I'm very encouraged because I know I can stay on this for an extended period of time and hopefully get to my goal weight. So it's, any negative thoughts go away immediately when I have them because I know I'm on the right road.